This is my collard greens row. Can you see it? All of the frames are up. But let me show you how simple this was. Put the hole on top of that green stake. I'm doing it to one hand, y'all, so be patient. And then, just come around to this side. So this is what we have. Then I just bend it onto the other side and push it down. And there I have a frame. Just that simple. In case you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is officially Fran, and today we are about to jimmy rig some row cover frames. Hey guys, let me show you a cheap and affordable way to make row covers or row cover frames. Here I found myself in a situation where I want to save my vegetables from getting eaten up, but I didn't have time to go online and order anything, and a lot of the stuff that I looked at was just expensive. So what I did was took a look at what I had around here, because you know I'm a jimmy rigger, and you know I like to use what I have, especially if I'm not using what I have around here. Let me show you what I used. I used these green garden stake thingy-doos here. Then I used this irrigation line of pipe. I used my cutter. This has a diamond blade on it. You don't have to use this. These green pipes, you can easily cut this with just using a little hand saw or something like that. It does have a little bit of metal inside of the pipe, so you just need something to get halfway through it. Once you get halfway through it, then you just bend it and it'll break off into two. Now, as you can see, I didn't even cut these even. The next thing I used was, these are pipe cutters for, you know, this kind of pipe, as well as some PVC pipe. I used a hammer to pound the green stakes in the ground, and that's it. We're gonna go over here and I'm gonna show you the whole process of one. Now, I have this at the beginning of my row and the end, only because when I was walking by, I kept stepping on my own plants. I am going to do is go here at the end of my row, and go right here, wrong end. Give it a couple of good whacks. Try to keep them straight across from each other. Going about, I think that looks straight. That. Now I'm going to take my pipe. Check out my next video where I show you how to make a story pole for your greenhouse or your garden area. And in case you don't know, a story pole is simply a way of leaving markings so that you can use them repeatedly in an area, whether it's on a piece of wood or on a wall. I'll show you. Just check out the next video. That's it. But also, if I have taller plants, because my stakes in the ground are a nice size, if I need more room, all I have to do is lift this up. So I can get that hoop taller just by lifting it up. And there won't be any real weight on here because there's going to be just a piece of something light that's covering this up. But that's what I did. Let me know if this idea is something that you can use. And remember, you could do this in your raised beds. Thanks for watching. I am officially Fran. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and bye-bye for now.